I told my husband that I no longer want my Christmas gift. For years, I've wanted a specific $500 item. It's not necessary, just something decorative I've admired but never bought because of the cost. This year, my husband announced he was getting it for me for Christmas. While it ruined the surprise, I was still happy. But over the past month, he's been making annoyed comments like, I could buy a new TV for this price. Don't expect anything else. And today, when I sent him something cute, he said, you're only getting this, so don't show me anything else or I just won't get it. His complaints made me feel like a burden. I've never demanded gifts or asked for this item. He knew I wanted it from passing jokes and comments. I've always said a nice dinner or homemade gifts from the kids were enough, but his attitude made me feel guilty for something I didn't even ask for. Today, I reached my limit. I asked him not to buy it anymore and said I didn't want it. He pressed me for a reason, and I eventually admitted that his constant complaints ruined it for me. If I opened the gift, I'd only think about how much he resented buying it. Every time I saw it, I'd remember how annoyed he was. I told him we could spend the money on something for everyone instead. He got upset and said I ruined Christmas. He loves surprises and the holiday season, so his behavior has been strange. I just wanted him to stop feeling forced and to focus on what matters, spending time with family and seeing the kids' excitement. Now we're both upset, and I feel like I should have just kept quiet. Did I ruin Christmas?